Assalamualaikum students. Today is Friday and the date is 27th November 2020. Today our topic of concern is narrative writing. Let me explain you about what is narrative writing. Narrative essays typically use our personal recollections about an event as a base. It is then possible to make sense of our own histories, instruct other people to learn from our mistakes and successes, demonstrate that our individual experience can be placed, learn how to vivify our experience with details and dialogue relating to the incident that stood out in our mind. So in simple words, the definition of the narrative writing is this: that you can share your experiences that remained in your mind for years. So today I have chosen the topic for our essay is flood, which falls in the category of natural disaster. So I have given you few points here. By following these points, you have to write the essay on flood. So the first thing which you will describe in your writing is that what is natural disaster. So I have given you a definition here. A natural event such as flood, earthquake or hurricane that causes great damage or loss of life is called natural disaster. After writing this, after explaining this point, you will introduce the topic flood. Okay? Introduce the topic flood. You will give the introduction of topic. You will explain the term flood in your paragraph. And I have given you few words about flood here. Flood is one of the most dangerous natural disaster. It happens when excessive water is collected in any area. So you can further explain it by your choice, by your understanding in your paragraph. After this, you will discuss this point, how flood occur. So according to my knowledge and as per my observation, the flood occur usually due to heavy rainfall and breaks down of dams. If you know any further cause, you can write about it in your paragraph. So the next point which we will discuss, that are the after effects of the flood, the destructions which flood made. We will write here in this point a few words of these points. A few points I have given you here, as in interrupt with the day-to-day functioning of the affected area. A lot of people and animals lose their lives due to floods. Whole country faces economic loss. They damage crops and displace trees. And if you know any further destruction, you can write it here in your paragraph. And last but not the least, you can conclude your narrative writing, by giving the precautions and remedies about flood, how you can prevent an area from destruction. Here I have given you few words. Proper awareness must be spread about the steps to take when floods occur. Warning system must be set up so people get sufficient time to save themselves. In addition, areas that are more likely to have floods must have tall buildings above the flood level. Further, there should be an efficient system for storing excessive water due to rain. This will prevent the overflowing of water. One of the most important steps in the strengthen the drainage system. This can avoid water logging, which will prevent floods. Or you can write about more if you know anything else in this paragraph. So by keeping these points in your mind, write an essay on the flood, and then take the picture of your work and send me in my WhatsApp number.